Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to be doing the Snowstorm challenge. And I'll just try this bait deck. I don't really have a good deck for this challenge, but this works okay, so we'll just see how we do. I don't really care too much. All I get is season tokens anyway, so it's whatever. I gotta hurry up though and do these games because time will run out. Got an hour and 30 minutes to complete the challenge or lose all my matches. Whichever comes first, obviously. Just Goblin Barrel. Alright. No poison. This is a bit bad. Or should I... It's okay. We're gonna go Goblin Barrel. Mega Knight will be able to get in range and then I can Dark Goblin it. If we got in range of the tower, that would have been great. Definitely log. Oh, that was bad. Oh, I should have waited for the bomber to freeze up too. Bit poor on my end, but should be able to get this one if I just play well now. Yeah. We'll wait for the bats and then we'll go Goblin Barrel. He's gonna go Mega Knight for sure. Go bats. Log. Go Goblin Barrel. We gotta take out the tower. Here, let's... Warmth. Bats. Let's go Dark Goblin again. Mega Knight will freeze pretty soon. Then I can go Goblin Gang. Alright, well we took the tower, that's good. Alright, I'll just, I guess I'll poison. And log, right? Gotta take his tower. Let's go Knight, please. Okay, that's good. Went on the right for some reason. Gotta try to get damage while he tries to take our tower. Dark Goblin's good. Nice. Okay. Didn't go overtime. Save me some time. Only need 10 wins. Not too bad. Usually it's like 12. I almost have every card to level 14. I can also upgrade like 3 cards to level 15, but I don't know which ones I want to do. So I'll just wait until I want to use it for like a clan deck or clan war deck or whatever. So here we're gonna go Dark Goblin so he doesn't build up a push. And I'll use Warmth, I'm guessing. Or he'll attack Dark Goblin. We'll go Goblin Gang on the Mega Knight. Nice poison. Another Mega Knight, huh? No worries. This won't be a difficult defense, especially because he needs to... He did the Warmth too early. Go Goblin Gang. That's really good for me. Okay, let's go Warmth. Maybe a bit too soon? Spear Goblin's got it. Okay, that's good. Oh, bats. Pretty good. Alright, I could activate King. Alright, let's log. See what they do here. They warmth. I think I'll try activating King Tower. Yeah, I'll go Goblin Gang. He's probably gonna go Mega Knight on it. Yeah. Give him a jump. Okay, he missed Dark Goblin. That's huge. Let's go Warmth. We'll go Poison instead of Log. Well, actually, it's not very smart of me because Firecracker. Okay, I'll go Log this time. There were certain decks that countered my bait easily. Does he have Log? Can't remember. Yeah, I don't know what spells he has. Poison. Eh. Okay, almost game. Poison, and then I don't know if a log's enough, but okay, that's game. Alright. Already 2 wins. Nice. That one went to overtime, but that's okay. I mean, this deck is decent enough. Does the job. Wonder if this deck would be good, like, in ladder. I don't know what I'd have instead of this, but I think... I mean, obviously Princess is an option, but I don't know if I would want to do Princess. Got to get back to warmth. And my log, I guess. Hey, not too bad. Alright, we can activate King Tower. Actually, never mind. Alright, let's just build up our elixir since I think we're still low compared to them. Yeah. Alright, maybe I should just poison. Then... Okay, it's gonna use it. Dark Goblin, we'll go there, we'll go there. This is gonna be some damage for sure. Yeah, probably gonna lose this one. We'll see. Down 900 damage. Or 800, around, yeah, around 800. Maybe I should just go Dark Goblin. Like, maybe I should just go for his tower. Yeah, like this. That's nice. Okay, that's really... The very least I have to take his tower, right? Might win this, we'll see. I don't want this going to overtime. Okay, that's game. It was a close match. Bait is like the best deck for this challenge. I don't think I have obviously the best deck, but what's really annoying is that like these challenges are, they always lead to like the same kind of decisions in terms of like deck choices. There's not much variety that really works. Like the warmth, you can't really build pushes if your opponent keeps pressuring. Let's defend this Dark Goblin, then we'll go in with like a Knight and some bats. I don't understand the freezing. Like, I did the warmth, but the Knight froze. I know it's because I do it too early, but I don't know really how it works. Okay, should be able to win this. Okay, let's do warmth, I guess. We'll just cycle it. I might give up, hopefully. Nope. Okay, so I think we just go in. Take out the tower. That's tower. Yeah, I'll just let that die. They're gonna have to pick something for warmth, so I'm not gonna worry about that firecracker. I'll go like right here. Yeah. Oh, dang it. That was a bad log. I should have waited to like log. Yeah, the good thing is like the firecrackers, they die, right? Or like they freeze. So they have to basically pick and choose with like their cards what they want to unfreeze here. Freeze out. Let's just spam. We got a ton of elixir. From that warmth. Needed like 5 more seconds and that would be a 3-crown. And the thing about a cycle deck is you can cycle more warmths. Although it's not really needed. I really should be doing these earlier though, these videos, because some people might want to know what a good deck is for the challenge. Yeah, see the Dark Goblin froze. It's a really weird decision by them. Good thing the Firecracker didn't retarget on the Dark Goblin. I see Dark Goblin froze again. Yeah, they're weirdly aggressive. I'm probably still doing it too early, yeah. Great. Oh, my Dark Goblin. Firecracker will freeze though, so that's nice. Alright, I'm just gonna poison. I'm gonna cycle this so they're useful. Cycle another poison. Go poison. Go like log here. Great. I'm selling. Oh. Okay, I at least took the tower, but we'll see. Okay, that was a bit too close, but we got the win. Alright, 5 wins. Nice. Just spam a Goblin Gang at the front. Try to activate King. I'll poison. Because Firecracker was going to get frozen anyway. Alright, let's just Dark Goblin since Mini P.E.K.K.A's going to freeze. Great. That's good. Might have like some arrows. Yeah. There we go. Too easy. You can. We'll do warmth on this. Nice. We'll do poison. This is a bit greedy, but we'll do it. Maybe they'll stop. Maybe they'll give up. I can get a minute saved or get a quick game. Okay. Let's go Dark Goblin here once it freezes. There we go. Let's see what they do. They log out. They're like, this game's garbage. It's always the same thing. Like, I'd be frustrated if you try anything different in this challenge, because it's not going to work against bait, really. Bait's just too strong. Okay. Oops. Alright, I'll just defend. I'm not going to be able to end this early anyway. They don't have time. There we go. Alright. 6 wins, just 4 more. I'm doing better than I was like in just the normal daily events or like event games. I'm poisoned since I don't have log. Okay. Could have done a goblin gang there since I realized it was far in the back. It's whatever. Okay, so guards are going to freeze. And that's warm. Let's log this. They're gonna do too much damage. Dark Goblin. So they have a bait deck too. Okay, so I got some damage. Waiting for the freeze, but it didn't quite come. Too much damage, probably. Nice. 1 hit. Okay. So I have a knight. I don't know. It doesn't seem like they have one. Like anything heavy. Seems like it's just a bunch of bait. I can get this poison down. Huge. Nice. Yeah, and they froze. Okay, that's really good. Okay, let's get bats down since they're mainly useful just for getting rid of this barrel. I gotta go night. Come on. Dang it. A little too late. Alright, let's go warmth. Let's go poison. Let's go goblin barrel. Not bad. Let's go bats in the front here. Let's just go poison since they're probably gonna go. Yeah. This is gonna be close. Man, how does this guy have so much elixir? Seriously? This is game. Yeah, GG. Good game. Played a little bit too poorly in the beginning. Lost me the game, basically. That's just all bait. And it works because the freeze just gets rid of your, like, heavy cards so much. Here we go. So this is the meta. Just a ton of bait. Like, nothing else, just bait, you know? Alright, let's do warmth on this. But, of course. I didn't know guards were the meta. just have no elixir. He's killing me. I thought I had bait. I don't have enough. I can just go knight on this. Okay. No, we'll just log. And we'll just go goblin gang like this. Should be fine. Go knight. And then yeah, we'll do warmth. Hopefully knight can just tank until freezes. I think. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, that's huge. Alright, that's GG. Yeah, I think the knight is still a good play. I just played too poorly in the other game. Good night, Dark Goblin. Yeah, let's just defend. This guy's not gonna... He's definitely not gonna give up, and he'll definitely try to get overtime by just spamming. Yeah, knight's really nice. Yeah, this is so GG. Alright, they finally gave up. I think that was the exact same deck as the last game. Let me check. Let's go here. Yeah, it's the exact same. Maybe instead of poison, I go arrows. That might actually be the play. But I'll just keep poison. I just like poison log. It's like the best value. In some situations, it's not good enough, but I should have just placed it up. Whatever. Let's go Goblin Barrel. Could go Bats, but I'm not sure what they're gonna do here. Alright, let's go Bats, since I have to cycle something. Let's just go Warmth on this. Cycle another night, I guess? I don't know what they're doing. Poison, that's gonna be too much, I think. Dark Goblin when it's right. It's good. I'll go with Goblin Barrel. Here, let's go here. Oh, this is really good. Oh, I did it a bit too soon, huh? Dang. Night again. Okay, the arrow. Interesting. Okay, I'll go with Dark Goblin again. Go here. Goblin gang here. That, I think that might be tower. Oh, no. I have to be careful. I'm definitely low on elixir. Got 3 elixir difference, perhaps? Cycle Bats. I don't think Bats freeze in time. I think they're too fast. And we're gonna poison, and then We're gonna log because they're gonna definitely do warmth. Try to save that. Night Witch. Let's go Goblin Burrow. They have arrows. Okay, they used it. Another poison, I think. Shoot. I'm gonna have to go log. Going like poison would be GG. Man, should have went for the tower instead. Man, my Dark Goblin freezing just GG. Ugh. Man, the Goblin Gang and the Goblin Barrel didn't take that right tower. I mean, it was obviously because it wasn't the full goblins with the HP, but alright, that probably would have been GG. Yeah, I guess Royal Ghost is pretty good because if it freezes, you can't make it go out of its invisibility because it won't attack. Oh, they went to the left. Okay, so here I'm gonna want to go like this, I think. Yeah, like this card is so annoying. Like I can't attack it. Okay, I should be able to win this though. Play well. Can't be too aggressive. We're gonna get down like and bait. If you're down on elixir, it's gonna be trouble. Okay, I didn't need to log that, but it's okay. 30 seconds. I'm just gonna warm through it. Bats. We're gonna go Goblin Barrel. Ah, that's bad. Okay. Fine. Okay. To take out that Dark Goblin. Probably might try arrows, so. Okay, that's GG. Here we go. Alright, let's log. Okay. There we go. I think I need 2 more wins now. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go Goblin Gang. We'll go Goblin Barrow. Poison. Should freeze to where I don't need it. Yeah, take care of that. Skeleton Armory. Also, I should place this Night late so that it freezes. And I won't take a lot of damage. on the knight. Then I'm gonna go Dark Goblin in the back. We're gonna unfreeze in a second here. Okay, whatever. After they freeze... Okay. Okay. Does this person have this much elixir? Alright, well, we defended well enough. Okay, let's go Night Goblin Barrel. This is ridiculous. There's no way you have just infinite elixir. Bats was not the play there. Like a log would have been great. Yeah, I got a log still. Okay, I'll take it. Alright, so they're probably gonna go Hog soon, and then I'm gonna have to defend with Knight and maybe Dark Goblin. I think a Knight can just deny 2 hits, like... Oh, I'll just place a Dark Goblin in case. Just make sure it's 1 hit. Like this. I'm gonna go Warmth. Go Poison. Night. Let's go Log. Go Goblin Barrel. Let's go Bats. Yeah, let's not be aggressive here. Let's wait a bit. Now we'll poison. Okay. Definitely. Here. Log. Oh. Sir. Let's go poison. Maybe a bit much, but... Okay, let's go Warmth. Okay, gotta be careful here. Go Knight, let's go Goblin Gang. I think we'll log. Yeah, let's just log. I'm gonna deny all hits. Deny that damage. Gotta go Dark Goblin on this guy. Okay. We got pretty lucky with that. Alright, let's go Poison. Okay, this is an odd choice from him. Went into the Poison, which means like... Yeah, that Hog Rider did not get a hit. Let's go Log, I guess. I thought he was gonna go Scar me. We're just gonna Poison. I mean, we know, like, yeah, too predictable, man. Too easy. Alright, we gotta get rid of this. He's gonna go Hog. Oh my goodness. Yo. Ooh, okay, let's go Dark Goblin. Log. That should be GG. There we go. There we go. Alright, one more win. We got the season tokens, that's the main thing. Get some elite wild cards from that. It's the main thing. And like the evolution stuff, of course. Night. Goblin Gang. Why not? See what they have, I guess. Oh, I missed the Spear Goblins. What a sell. Alright. That would have been like another like 500 damage or something. Yeah. Alright, still good start. I gotta lock in though. Try to win this challenge. I'm not gonna spend gems for a banner. I don't even change my banner. It doesn't really matter to me. Huh. Okay, I thought I was gonna be a bit late. That's good. Alright, so I'll go Knight in the back. Let's go Dark Goblin. go warmth, and then I'll go, I guess, bats. Gang, we'll go goblin barrel. Yeah, nice bats. There we go. Should be able to win this easily. Alright, let's go knight again. Get our bats ready for dark goblin. Go bats. We'll go poison. Let's go log here. Go warmth. Go another night. Go there. This. Goblin barrel, okay. Should be GG. Poison. Dark goblin. We'll just log that. Warmth on that. Log. Alright. And that's the challenge. Even getting like 10 wins on these challenges don't mean much. Especially because you can get unlimited retries, or if you have the battle pass, or not battle pass, season pass. But like in the 20-win challenge that's coming, it's still impressive, even if you have a ton of retries, just because of how difficult it is. But yeah, that's gonna do for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.